Super tender and crispy Korean fried chicken. You absolutely have to learn how to make it. Poke holes in the chicken first to help it absorb the flavor while marinating. Put salt and pepper in it, mix well first, and marinate in milk for 1 hour. Two spoons of flour, 2 spoons of cornstarch, salt, and pepper, and the frying powder is ready. Marinate the chicken, add 2 eggs, 2 spoons of flour, and mix well. Pour plenty of oil into the pan. During this time, use chopsticks to test the oil temperature. If there are small bubbles, you can put the chicken in. Dip the chicken in fried flour and put them in one by one to prevent them from sticking together. Fry until slightly browned and take it out. When the oil temperature is higher, put the fried chicken and fry it again, which will make the chicken more crispy. Prepare a hot sauce, which is the soul of this dish. 2 spoons of Korean hot sauce, 1 spoon of tomato sauce, 1 spoon of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of minced garlic, and a little water. Do not put oil in the pot. Pour in the freshly prepared sauce, cook until it bubbles, then pour in the chicken. Let each piece of chicken be coated with sauce. Sprinkle some white sesame seeds, and the dish is ready. Absolutely delicious.